Good day! In behalf of AIM Global Nigeria and ACI Accretion International, I'm Joseph Jan Eugenio. Do you want a brand new car? Do you want house and lot? Do you want big savings? If your answer to all of that is yes, then this business is for you. AIM Global is 11 years old here in the Philippines, and it created 5,000 self-made millionaires. AIM Global expanded throughout Africa, especially in Nigeria. And now in Nigeria, it's already 4 years old and created more than 500 multi-millionaires. So how your life going to be if you are earning 9,600 Naira to 153,600 Naira? Now let's start. If you want to be a member of AIM Global, all you have to do is to purchase the global package worth 70,000 Naira. And you will have an on-the-spot return of investments of products and lifetime membership. Our products are health and wellness products, such as food supplement and healthy beverages. And one of our products is C24/7. Here are the basic ways how to earn in AIM Global. Number 1, retailing. You will enjoy a lifetime 25% discount on all products by orders. Second, direct referral bonus worth 5,000 Naira. Every time you invite people and join to the company, AIM Global will pay you 5,000 Naira. And if you invited 10 people, AIM Global will pay you 50,000 Naira. And if you invited 20 people, AIM Global will pay you 100,000 Naira. Match sales bonus worth 9,600 Naira. All you have to do is to create two groups, the left group and the right group. If one people join in the left and one people join in the right, you will earn 9,600 Naira as match sales bonus. And then, they will also do the same. They will also invite 2 people. And if many people are joining the business, you will earn 9,600 Naira, 9,600 Naira, 9,600 Naira, and as much as 153,600 Naira in just one day. We are really expanding our business in Nigeria and all countries in Africa. So hurry up! Don't miss this life-changing opportunity. To join na, all you have to do is to deposit the amount of 70,000 Naira in the bank account of Alliance in Motion Global. Here are the banks: Zenith Bank, Access Bank, Sky Bank, Ecobank, and Fidelity Bank. After you deposit the amount of 70,000 Naira, all you have to do is to snap the teller receipt and send it to the person who invited you in this business as confirmation that you already deposited the money. And then after that, we will process your registration to the branch near you. Or if you have online banking, you can also fund transfer the amount of 70,000 Naira to the account of Alliance in Motion Global, and then screenshot the transaction and send it to the person who invited you to confirm your registration. Next is, you will go to the nearest branch there in Nigeria to claim your goods. And we have free trainings there, how to do the business step by step. So that's it. After you watch this video, contact the person who invited you and discuss your registration. Again, this is Joseph Jan Eugenio saying, happy business day.